morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair has lost 0.7% in the last three sessions. The stochastic RSI has transitioned into the overbought area. Bitcoin has remained as is in the last session. The ultimate oscillator shifted sharply into the negative zone. The price of gold has added 0.4% in the last session. The RSI is warming up and is now giving a neutral signal. The price of crude oil has gained 4.6% in the last three sessions. The ADX has slightly diminished into the neutral area.
Thank you for your insightful trading ideas. Moving on to world headlines.
OPEC Plus talks have strengthened oil prices, with Brent crude up almost 9% from its lows for the week. The mood music in the EU-UK trade talks may be shifting after EC President said that she was convinced that a deal was still possible. The Japanese yen continues to flex its muscles as traders buy into the safe havens.
Thank you for this. Coming up, today's major economic events.
The U.S. Chicago Fed national activity will be released at 10:30 GMT. The Canadian New Housing Price Index at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 13:30 GMT. The Hong Kong CPI at 900 GMT. And the Russian GDP at 1500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.